Welcome back to Theme Park HD, where we bring you the latest and greatest at the theme parks, special events, experiences and entertainment, and even some sports. Join us today as we glide over Six Flags Over Texas in Arlington, Texas, where we check the progress on the upcoming new dive coaster, as well as the refreshing of the Titan roller coaster. Seatbelts on, let's go! As we come upon the Titan, the biggest and most popular roller coaster in Texas, with a whopping 255-foot drop and boasting 4.5 of G-force, you can see where the steel is being repainted from its original 2001 paint of orange and teal to the blue and white of the Dallas Cowboys, located just across the way. Oh wait, that was a speculation. Factually, the new colors of the Titan will be red, white, and blue in honor of the Texas state flag. As we look northeast across the park from our southwest corner, we come upon the new Texas Giant, celebrating its 35th anniversary. We see the hybrid of the steel tracks on the wooden supports, which was converted in 2011. Fun fact, my first roller coaster was the Texas Giant back in the early 90s, and I got stuck on the top hill for 2 hours. Quiet please as we pay our condolences to La Vibora, who was a fan favorite to many. Check out our link below to our last ride of the famous bobsled before she closed in October 2024. As you can see where La Vibora was, now stands a prepped dirt pad. The dead-end southwest corner of the park isn't the biggest, so next to go is El Diablo, the red and black looped ride here on the screen. With this set to be removed soon, which shouldn't be difficult, so clear up the ground space for the confirmed dive coaster. So let's talk about this new dive coaster. To lay out a timeline for you, in November of 2024, Six Flags announced plans for the new coaster. Simultaneously, La Vibora closed. In March of this 2025, the permit will be filed with the City of Arlington for the work. As well, in March 2025, El Diablo, the circular roller coaster, is being removed. In early 2026, almost 10 months later, Six Flags will debut the plans and concept for the ride. And then if we go off previous ride attraction openings, in mid-spring of 2026, we'll see our new dive coaster live and ready to go. As you can see on the screen here, from our imported Dr. Diabolico's cliffhanger from Six Flags here in Fiesta, Texas, which debuted in 2022 as the world's steepest. While the coaster layout won't be exactly the same, given the footprint to work within and the desire to get a dive coaster here in North Texas, my guess that it will have shared similarities while being uniquely different, especially in its height. Texas size, as you could say, reaching for the sky at 309 feet, while looking to gain a world record label. My guess it'll be a designated speed, decline, G-force, who knows, all three. Leaving the dive coaster site and heading parallel to Six Flags Drive, we head northeast into the park where we get a great view of the park peripheral with the legendary wood coaster Judge Roy's Scream, as well as recently opened Aquaman Power Wave and our favorite DC iconic coasters in Batman the Ride and Mr. Freeze. As we pass Superman Tower of Power, he remains the tallest attraction here in the park despite the new dive coaster, standing at a Man of Steel height of 325 feet. As we move west, we pass over the Runaway Mountain Inside Dark coaster, the observation tower, and gaze into the heart of the new Texas Giant. Circling back to the new dive coaster site, heading southwest, we bring you an overhead shot that shows a better depiction of the site pad and work that's still to be done with the removal of El Diablo. As we stare down the 255 drop of the Titan, we set our sights on the horizon to the sports stadiums just minutes away. Let's go! Entering the stadium's district, going clockwise, starting on the left, are Globe Life Field, home to the Texas Rangers Major League Baseball team. Cowboys Stadium, America's team, the Dallas Cowboys. And Choctaw Field, hosting Major League Soccer next, and UFL. Well, that's it, folks. Thank you for flying with us today over Six Flags over Texas, and stay tuned as we bring you continued updates here with the new dive coaster, as well as the latest and greatest from around the spectrum. Let's go!